Hello students, welcome back in our next video, and as you know that we are doing our poem and the road not taken. In this poem, in our earlier video, we have done two paragraphs, two stanzas, okay, and in those stanzas the poet was saying that when I was going through a forest, I was on a place where the road was diverging in two directions. So first I was confused so much to pick which road I should pick, and after that, after a long thought, I took a single road. I took one road from there, and I left the other one for the next time. Here the poet is talking in a life's situation. Whenever a person find himself in a position where there is two way in front of him, कि एक व्यक्ति जब अपने जीवन में दो रास्तों पर आकर के खड़ा हो जाता है, अर्थात उसके सामने दो तरीके होते हैं, दो डिसीजन लेने होते हैं उसे, और उसके सामने दो रास्ते होते हैं, तो वो एक जो है वो डिसीजन लेता है, एक रास्ते को चूज़ करता है, दूसरे को छोड़ देता है कि चलो इसके ऊपर बाद में गौर करेंगे। तो कुछ ऐसा ही यहाँ पर पोइट ने कहा। तो आज हम जो है वो कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट के टू स्टेंजास। So today we are going to do next two stanzas. Okay, so let's start. And both that morning equally lay. The poet is explaining about those roads. The poet is saying that on that particular day, the both means the both way, the both roads that morning equally lay in leaves. Means the poet is saying that on that particular day, the both roads were equally full with leaves. There was no sign that which road was chosen by the people. So he is saying that morning equally lay in leaves, means on that particular day the both roads were full of leaves. No step had trodden in black, and the steps of the people, those who went from there, वो लोग जो वहाँ से गए उनके जो पाँवों के निशान हैं वो काले नहीं पड़े, क्योंकि जहाँ पर हम पाँव रखते हैं और एक व्यक्ति बार बार चलता है तो वो जगह जो है वो वहाँ से घास खत्म हो जाती है, वो जगह काली सी पड़ जाती है। तो कवि यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है? कवि कह रहा है both that morning equally lay in leaves, यानी कि उस दिन दोनों ही जो सड़कें हैं वो दोनों एक जैसे ही नज़र आ रहे थे, दोनों में ही जो है वो पत्तों से भरी हुई थी, और कोई भी जो है पाँवों के निशान व्यक्तियों के चलने की वजह से काले नहीं पड़ रहे थे। ओह, आई केप्ट द फर्स्ट फॉर अनदर डे, so I choose the second one and I left the first one for another day. मीन्स उसने कहा कि मैंने एक रोड जो है सेकंड रोड को मैंने चुन लिया और फर्स्ट रोड को मैंने किसी और दिन के लिए छोड़ दिया। कहने का मतलब है कि एक रास्ता मैंने चुना और दूसरे को मैंने छोड़ दिया किसी और दिन के लिए। Here what the poet is saying? The poet is saying that when I was in a situation, I choose one decision and the second decision I left for some other day. एक decision मैंने लिया और दूसरा जो है वो मैंने किसी दूसरे जो है अगले दिन के लिए या किसी और दिन के लिए मैंने छोड़ दिया। Yet knowing how way leads on way, and I knows very well that I will never come back at that place again, and the ways leads on the way. Leads means जाना। हम कहते हैं ना कि ये सड़क जा रही है, तो सड़क के लिए go word का प्रयोग कभी नहीं करते। We never use go word for the road. Suppose that someone is asking from you, ये सड़क कहाँ जा रही है? What you will give answer? क्या आंसर दोगे? The road goes to hospital? No, the road leads to hospital. So for roads we always use reads. So as the time will pass, the way leads on the way. रास्ते के ऊपर रास्ते बन जाना, यानी कि धीरे धीरे जो है उसके ऊपर पत्ते गिरते रहेंगे, मिट्टी गिरती रहेगी और वो जो पाँवों के निशान या दूसरे जो वहाँ पे आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, मार्क हैं, वो सारे दब जाएंगे। तो ये कहता है कि येट नोइंग हाउ वे लीड्स ऑन टू वे आई डाउटेड if I should ever come back, and I had doubt on myself that whether I will come back or not. So I had doubted at that time that I will never come back again here in this forest. Means the poet is saying here, the decision which I was not taking at that time, the decision which I had left for some other time, I had doubt that this chance will never come back in my life, that I will choose this decision again, कि इस निर्णय को मैं दोबारा चुनूंगा, ये मेरे पास में वो जीवन में कभी आएगा ही नहीं। ये डाउट उसको था, फिर भी उसने क्या किया, एक जो है वो रोड को चुना और दूसरी को उसने छोड़ दिया। I shall be telling this with a sigh. And after spending lot of time in future, the poet is talking in this paragraph about his future. And someday in my future when I became old, कि जब मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा and I will become old, at that time I will tell my grandsons or other persons कि I shall be telling this with a sigh. मैं ये सुना रहा हूँगा with a sigh, एक गहरी आह भर करके। Somewhere, ages and ages means somewhere in future, hence मतलब after this. After this, somewhere in my future, I will tell all these things, all these incidents to my near and dear with a deep sigh that two roads diverged in a wood, that I was passing through a wood and at that time I had faced a situation. I was on at a place where there were two roads, the roads were diverging in two sides, and I took the one, मैंने एक रोड को चुना, I choose one road less traveled by, कि from where people have traveled so less. And that has made all the differences, and that decision which I adopted at that time had made the differences right now in my life. What the poet is saying, understood it with the meaning of your decision. The poet is saying that कि somewhere in my past, मेरे भूतकाल के अंदर मैं एक बार ऐसी सिचुएशन में था कि मेरे सामने दो रास्ते थे और मैंने एक को चुना और एक को मैंने छोड़ दिया, और जो रास्ता मैंने छोड़ दिया और जो मैंने चुना, आज जो मैं और वो रास्ता मैंने चुना जो बहुत कम लोगों के द्वारा चुना गया था, उस रास्ते को मैंने चुना। एक्चुअली होता यह है कि इंसान अपनी लाइफ में क्या करता है, वो उन्हीं चीज़ों के ऊपर आगे बढ़ना चाहता है जो दूसरे लोग ज़्यादातर चूज करते हैं, क्योंकि उसे वो सेफ समझता है। और कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अपने आप में कुछ अलग करना चाहते हैं, और वो लोग जो अलग करना चाहते हैं वो अलग रास्तों को चूज करते हैं, और कई बार वो उसमें सफल भी होते हैं और उसमें असफल भी होते हैं। दे चूज द डिफरेंट वे एंड समटाइम्स दे फेल एंड समटाइम्स दे गेन, मीन्स दे पास। सो हियर द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट आई हैड आल्सो टू डिसीजन, मेरे पास में भी दो डिसीजन थे, एंड मैंने कौन सा जो है वो रास्ता चूज किया, आई टुक द वन लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाय, मैंने उस रास्ते को चुना जिसे बहुत कम लोग जो है वहाँ से गुजरे थे, एंड दैट हैज़ मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस, और इसी ने ही क्या कर दिया, ये सारा जो अंतर है वो मेरे जीवन में पैदा किया। इफ आई एम सक्सेसफुल राइट नाउ, इट वॉज ड्यू टू द डिसीजन विच आई हैड चूजन देयर, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट सक्सेसफुल इन राइट नाउ, इट्स आल्सो ड्यू टू दैट डिसीजन, कि आज अगर मैं सफल हूं तो वो उस निर्णय की वजह से, और अगर मैं सफल नहीं हूं तो वो उस निर्णय की वजह से ही है जो मैंने उस वक्त चुना। तो इसको वहां पर वो पॉजिटिव वे में ले रहा है और कहता है कि आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डिसीजन। ओके, सो दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ योर पोम द रोड नॉट टेकन। Okay. So after this we will do question answer. So in this same video we are discussing about the question answer. So we have a very few questions, so I am telling this, and after that I will provide you a PDF of answers. Okay. So let's start question answer. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? So very simple. In your earlier paragraph, in a earlier extra stanza, you can find answer from there. Where does the traveler find himself? The traveler found himself in a place or at a place from where the road was diverging in two ways or in two sides. What problem does he face? He was not in a position, he was in a doubted position that which road should I take. Okay. Question number second. Discuss what these phrases means to you. A yellow wood. What do you mean by these phrases to you? A yellow wood. Pila jungle to nahi hota. Means here the poet is saying that the leaves of the woods is yellow. This is the autumn time and the leaves were falling from the what? Trees. It was grassy and wanted wear. It was grassy. It shows that this road has not taken by the people, means this is the decision on which very few people goes through this way. Okay. The passing there means those person who has chosen this decision. Leaves no step had trodden black means very few person has passed from there. How way leads on to way. As the time passes, it covers the other road. जैसे ही समय गुजरता है वो दूसरे रोड को क्या कर लेता है? कवर कर लेता है. मीन्स धीरे धीरे चीज़ें जो हैं वो क्या है? धुंधली हो जाती हैं और उसके बाद में उस निर्णय के ऊपर बाद में केवल देखा ही जाता है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them in stanzas 2 and 3? In stanzas 2 and 3. This one is the third stanza, and in our previous video we have done the second stanza. So tell me, in stanza 2 and 3, is there any difference between the two roads? No, there is not any difference in between the two roads. But after that, he somewhere doubted that if I had chosen the other road. In the last two lines of the poem, in the last two lines of the poem, the poet is here wishing that if he had chosen the other road, and his life will some way different from today's life. What do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? इन दो लास्ट लाइन का मतलब क्या है? इन दो लास्ट लाइन का मतलब क्या है? Here the poet is saying that if I have chosen the other way, maybe my life will be different from today's life. कि अगर मैंने दूसरा रास्ता चुना होता तो शायद आज मेरा जीवन जो है वो क्या होता? मेरे वर्तमान के जीवन से अलग होता. Okay, so these are the questions for you, and after that we have two more questions, but these questions are not for your homework. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice? Okay, and or do you think you will have difficult choices to make? How will you make the choice? For what reasons? So this is about your own life, that if you have faced the same situation in your life, then which decision you had taken at that time. After you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Suppose that you had chosen a decision that is not good for you, or that is very good for you. So have you ever realized, or have you ever think over that decision? So this is all things about your life. So these two questions, if you want to do, then you will do it in your rough copy and then send me. I will check first and then I'll tell you to do in your copy or not. Clear? So this is our poem. Thank you.